for Johnny Mayer. Not sure many players in World Rugby are capable of a left hand out the back door offload. Brilliant from former England left wing. And it held just drove through those tackles.
Centre, but it's popped up for a little bit of counter-attack ball. Opportunist possession for the Barbarians. It's right on brand for what they want to do, but that ball was out and not being played, and the quickest to react was Muntz. And now it's another chance for Fiji. Flung back inside. Pele Momo is going to be the one to get his hands on it. And on debut for Fiji.
There's an incredible offload coming up here from Renalagi. Look at this. Perfect bounce off the offload as well. Straight up into Momo's hands. Big knee lift. All sorts of things go through there when you see someone break on the line like that. Please, hopefully.
To the extras. To the players of the Barbars side, if there is anywhere on the global rugby stage where you should feel free to make a mistake because you're going for something that you knew would be uncanny. All down by the Barbars after the nudge into the corner. What can they make from here? Johnny Mayer's come right down to the near touchline. It's going to come this way. Kerr is looking for it. Comes up for Fiku, ships it off and back at Tawa, who goes back in the direction of where it came. An instinct to run against the weak shoulders. Mercer gets it away, a little goosey from Fiku. Burke, shipped on, Fiaki, May, into the corner. Well, Johnny May has scored a few at Twickenham. He's got one in a Barbars shirt. 36 for England. Out for Fainga'anuku, looking to get on the outside. Ball was there, but it's Tower. Last limit. Just coming around. Advantage, just throwing a lot of room to work in. That is the big man, Sam Whitelock. Stretching for every metre. And Barbarians working in such tight quarters. Fiku really able to get it there. Is Danny Kerr going to score for the Barbars? Not quite that time. They're short once more. Conversion, so much time on the board for Jews. There for Murray again, and somehow they manage to break through once more. Pinning the ears back, looking to use the step. Johnny May made himself a doormat, but it was enough to slow Fiji down. But now there's a penalty advantage coming as Cornelson gets involved. Is this ball coming back on the Fiji side? No, it will be the pen. It's decided he will try and put another 3 points on the log. It's just to get the ball to ground, and then it's with Fiaki. Spur, space on that far touchline. There's a little. To see from the world's greatest club. Kerr having to work hard for the ball, but it will be turned over. Happy Salome Botta, but a penalty for the Barbars.
Fiku, dummy on the inside, ball in two hands, opened up. Very rarely do we see Gael Fiku open up in that fashion. Brilliant to see. And then from then on, it's just flicks and tricks. Just wondered if that might have all come to now when Harry Thacker got caught, but then the pace with which Danny Kerr took that quick penalty. So quickly, he ran past the far post, so he didn't actually go down underneath the sticks. So what you see playing a bit of football, too much again either.
We'll have a go. Danny Kerr is trying to stay in that. He's been taken out off it. He's given it to the full beans going to ground as he possibly could. Chafiyaki though, then getting going. Not stopping to hang around.
Tries. Twickenham. Just bizarre that, wasn't it? Taking out and then Kehaki wasting no time. Skipping, hopping, offloading.
Second try of the match for me. Sponsorship with a gin company that was talking about here. Fiji getting much time on the ball. Over the top, that is well blocked out of the air. And now the race is on. Support on the right side. It'll just be the no-look pass. It'll just be absolutely delightful. And Pelly Momo.
They're a flat line, but watch this after the pass. Once you give that pass, don't stop running, keep running. It just takes Fihaki out of the game by half a metre, and that's all the difference that's needed. Brilliant play from Derenalangi. Keeps running, a little shoulder into the contact.
Lovely work from the skipper to get the pass away. And from Burke, it's his duty as a 9. Hopper. Little midfield dink. It's just been met. T2. From Sorovi. Pumped it into those slightly wider channels to Kieran and send it on. And then the ball back in field. Oh, it's going to work beautifully for the Fijians. Oh,
Raw money. This is going on the outside, especially with the way that Kanakai Bata's been attacking all day. Sorry, it was Derenalangi. And 6 shirt, he's been a real handful, hasn't he? Head to the outside, just the ball on the inside, seeing that Rocky's come too far across. Good score for Fiji, back in.
memorable 25-24 win, Kevin Valentini.
Months. T2 in behind.
Yeah, just queuing up one behind the other behind this scrum. Eyeing up which way they're going to go. They're starting to tiptoe right. It's always the way, isn't it? Pay attention to which way they're going to go. Scrum differences. Game management, while the prize is an important aspect of it.
Within 2 metres. Fergus in behind the scrum. Again, can attack both sides. He's been really lively with the ball in hand.
That's tiniest ball, but that's a lovely one back inside. Chafiyaki knew exactly where he needed to be. Oh, the dummy was sublime from Boschia.
It was Fihaki who ended up getting that ball, just tracked on that inside line. But watch this. That's brilliant confidence. Everyone felt that the ball was going to go to Vakatawa as he dropped underneath. Even Vakatawa thought he was getting it. The only person that didn't, Lachlan Boschia.
Caleb Muntz, who's picked his options well. Oh, that's a penalty to the Barbars though. Youngs at the gap himself. But look at it go. Gets the offload away from Miller. Stop just short, and Zach Nurser will finish it. 7 minutes.
Good ball on the outside, but the break from Fergus Burke. How does he get that ball away? No right to offload that. And Fiji all over the place defensively. Watch this. On his way down. The real pressure just to get that out. That's an incredible piece of skill. Fergus Burke. More of that, please, next season. He's got some interesting depth.
He's got 10 seconds on the shot clock.
He's taking everything.
He's going to get underway shortly.
Good lad. Straight down the middle, never in doubt.
He's come in. Inside centre position.
McIntyre's at 8 versus in the centre.
Was trying to lift it over the top. It's beaten everybody into touch. On their way to beating the Flying Fijians.